Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. We have a really cool, exciting video today. We're going to be installing something that just recently came out on the market from a company that usually only does cold air intakes. Well, they have come out with something really awesome for these 2011 to 2016 6.7 Power Stroke Super Duty trucks. So we're going to open up this box and see what it is. So what we have here is an Smb fuel tank. The factory fuel tanks in these trucks come with a 26-gallon tank, and Smb has created this monstrosity. This is a 56-gallon fuel tank. So this fuel tank pretty much comes with anything and everything you could ever want. We have the vent for the tank right here. We have our vent for the filler neck, and then we have our actual filler neck right here. It does come with this port on the side right here. This would be if you have a FASS and you need to be able to return the fuel back to the tank. Or Smb, this is really cool, they actually have a kit where you can pull fuel from this tank and actually have a fuel pump in the bed of your truck so that you can fill up equipment, other vehicles, or whatever it may be. It comes with a little draw straw and everything. So that's actually really cool. And then finally, on the bottom here, if I can get a picture of it, we have right here is for a sump, so that if you do have a FASS, you can actually pull right from there, go directly to your FASS, and you will empty all 56 gallons of this fuel tank. So the guys got the fuel tank out of the truck, and they have the fuel sending unit here. You will use your factory fuel sending unit, so you're gonna have to pop it out. And then the only thing that you'll have to do is take the float off and install S&B's float that they have for the different tank. So S&B sends you with a nice float here. Of course, they send you with a new O-ring, a zip tie, some hardware bolts here, a U-bolt, because you are not going to be able to reuse your factory fuel tank straps, so it comes with all new fuel tank straps. And so this kit is definitely pretty complete. So the only thing we're going to have to do is swap this over, and then we can start assembly of the Smb fuel tank. So this point, it's pretty imperative. We want to make sure that this little yellow tab, there's an arrow right here. We want that yellow tab to face that arrow. Probably the trickiest part is getting that float on there, but once you get it fished in there, you want to make sure that it's in towards the sump area. And then what we're going to do, we got all these connections capped off, and we're going to send air to here to make sure that the sending unit is leak-free, so we have some soapy water on there just to verify that. I'd say we're good. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up the installation of the Smb fuel tank, and what we're going to be doing now is we have to hop into the computer system, and we want to recalibrate the distance to empty now that we have the max capacity of 56 gallons versus the 26 gallons. So we're going to be using EasyLink to be able to do that, but you can also use Forescan as well as Ford IDS integrated software as well. So I'm going to kind of show you guys that, maybe do a little bit of a walkthrough on it, and then this installation, we will be wrapping it up. So what we have here right now, it says 30 miles to E, and then we have our EasyLink platform set up.
You'll go to the menu, select vehicle, go to diagnostics, calibrate fuel tank volume, run that. Right now we're at 26 gallons OEM. What we need to do is go to 56 gallons, hit submit. It is just calibrating, and if it succeeded, we will show the new distance to empty.
So now with the recalibration complete, now it says 100 miles to E, and our distance to empty will be set for 56 gallons worth of fuel. EasyLink seems to be the fastest way to be able to recalibrate the miles to empty, but like I said, you can use Forescan or IDS. It's just, you know, if you got an EasyLink, just go that route. That's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. A little bit of an install, not really a how-to, just kind of something that you guys can check out. Smb, they're coming out with some really cool stuff, so I was really excited to get this installed on this truck here. We are out here at T&A Diesel out in Marshall, Michigan, hooking us up with the install on this truck. And so, yeah, if you guys need to get set up with a max capacity fuel tank, Smb cab mounts, filters, anything you need from Smb, they got the hookup on this. And so, thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below. Hit that like button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.